Good morning, children. Today we are going to do exercise of worksheet 3, unit 3, One Little Kitten, Lalu and Pilu. Here we have given the sentences. We have to choose the correct answer and write the answer from these 4 options are given. From these 4 options, one answer is correct. So we have to select the correct answer and we have to put a tick. We have to choose it. Okay, shall we start? First, there is one little. What it is? Cat, rat, kitten, fish. What is there is one little? There is one little kitten. What is the correct answer? There is one little kitten. 2 number. How many chicks had the hen? कितने chicks थी hen के पास, right? So 1, 3, 2, 4. What is the correct answer? How many chicks were there in Lalu Pilu? There were 2 chicks. So we have put a tick on 2. There are 4 big cats, big rats, fat fish and fat fleas. So in this poem, what did we see? What were there? In the poem we saw big cats were there, big rats were there, fat fishes were there or fat fleas were there. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is big rats. What did Lalu eat? What did Lalu eat one day? So a red apple, a red chili, red tomato, yellow chili. What is the correct answer? A red chili. We will read all the choose the correct together, children. Okay. Choose the correct answers. There is one little kitten. 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 How many chicks had the hen? So only 2. TWO 2. There are 4 big rats. BIG big RATS rats. Big rats. What did Lalu eat? Lalu ate a red chili. What did Lalu had? Lalu had a red chili. Now write the missing letters. 1 R dash NN dash NG. So what is the correct answer over here? R U NNING running. Next K dash T dash N. So KITTEN kitten. Next S dash dash LS. So SEALS seals. Next WH dash L dash S. So WHALES whales. M dash dash TH. So MOUTH mouth. TH dash dash GS. So THINGS things. So children will repeat once again. First is what? Running. RUNNING running. Second KITTEN kitten. 3 SEALS seals. Fourth WHALES whales. 5 MOUTH mouth. 6 THINGS things. So this is your exercise of choose the correct in the worksheet revision and write the missing letters. Now we'll go to the next. Over here, write T for the true or F for false sentences. What we have to do? We have to write T for true and F for false sentences. Okay, one number. There are 5 baby butterflies. THERE, there. ARER, FIVE, 5. BABY, baby. BUTTERFLIES, butterflies. So there are 5 baby butterflies. So it is true or false? No. There were 5? No. It is false. So we will write F. Next, Lalu ate red chili. LALU, Lalu. ATE, ate. RED, red. CHILLI, chili. So what is the correct answer? Yes, Lalu had eaten a red chili. So we'll write T for true. We are going to write TRUE, true. And here first one is false. FALSE, false. Now 3 number. There are 14 whales. So is it true? There were 14 whales, right? So what we are going to write over here? There were THERE, there. ARER, FOURTEN, 14. WHALES. So there are 14 whales. So answer is true. We have written T over here and then TRUE, true. 4th number. PEELU, pilu. LOVED, love. BLUE, blue. THINGS, Pilu loved blue thing. Is it true? No. Pilu loved yellow thing. So it is false. So we will write F for false and we will write FALSE, false. Now we once again we will do the exercise. There are 5 baby butterflies. So it is true? No, it is false. Lalu ate red chili. So this is true. Lalu had eaten red chili. There are 14 whales. So this is true. There are 14 whales. Pilu loved blue things. So it is false. Now we'll do the matching. Match the following. Column A, we have written PEELU, pilu. 2 number ELEPHANT, elephant. 3 number LALU, lalu. 4 number CHICKS, chicks. B number is what? 1. SCREAMED, screamed. TWO2, LADDU, laddu. ELEVEN, 11. Now we'll do the matching. So Pilu, what Pilu had brought? Pilu had brought laddu for the Lalu, right? So Pilu goes with 1 number with 3, that is laddu. Elephant, ELEPHANT, elephant. So how many elephants were there? 11. So 11. Lalu, Lalu. Lalu had eaten red chili. So Lalu screamed. So one number. Nchicks, chicks. So how many chicks were there? 2. So once again we will do this exercise. Pilu brought laddu. Elephant, how many were there? 11. Lalu screamed. Chicks, 2. So dear children, you have to do this worksheet revision in your English notebook. You have to complete in your English notebook.